Hello, in this video we're gonna check the performance of a charger that comes with your Motorola Moto G52. So in order to do this, I'll be using GoSoon Smart Socket right here. It will transfer the statistics to this phone and show you exact performance. Now let's plug it inside the socket, then to our phone. The charging will happen, and now in about 30 seconds we should see stabilized statistics. So right here they should be stabilized now. So you can see them right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.